So technical indicators daw kasi, if i-base natin sa Investopedia, are pattern signal produced by the interest ng securities. Sa dami kasi ng technical indicators, parang in a way, ang ginagawa nito, it's between a leading indicator and a lagging indicator. So, nililid niya yung isang decision ng trader, or it can give you a bias on the lagging indicator. Kino-confirm niya. No? But that doesn't necessarily providing an indicator. Pag tama yung indicator mo, ibig sabihin doon talaga pa particular yung price. Kasi, again, indicators are just a tool. It would not necessarily predict the price. Diba? So, hindi talaga niya pinipredict yung price. Isa yan. So, ibig sabihin, sa dami na, ikaw, Sir Jem, give me all the indicators na naaalala mo, na pinag-aralan mo, na na-realize mo katulad ko na wala pala talagang perfect indicator. Go.
Ay, totoo naman. Totoo naman. Unang-una sa lahat, guys, no, walang perfect trading system. Kahit aralin natin lahat yan, the market is always right. It can decide to go in a direction against us. Kaya na may risk management. But as far as indicator is concerned, para sa akin, nung newbie ako, guys, sa mga nagsagot ng zero, parang ano ko siya parang compass ko siya, no? Ano ba yung tamang direction? But it doesn't necessarily mean na kapag alam mo yung kung anumang indicator yan, guaranteed na kikita ka, no? Meron kasing uncertainty sa market. For me, it's a 50-50 chance.